Welcome to Healthcare. Today, we're diving into a workout plan that can transform your body in just 4 weeks, no equipment needed. This routine is perfect for anyone wanting to build strength, tone up, and boost energy levels, all from the comfort of home. Remember, consistency is key, so aim to stick with these exercises, and you'll start seeing amazing results.
Exercise 1. Push-ups.
Detailed technique. Start in a plank position. Hands directly under your shoulders, core tight. Lower yourself until elbows are at a 90-degree angle, then push back up. Modifications. For beginners, you can do knee push-ups, which are easier on the upper body. Advanced folks can try diamond or decline push-ups to target different muscle areas. Common mistakes. Avoid flaring out your elbows too much and keep your back straight. Additional benefits. Push-ups are great for upper body strength, especially chest, shoulders, and triceps, and they also engage your core.
Exercise 2. Squats.
Detailed technique. Stand with feet hip-width apart, bend your knees, and push your hips back as if you're sitting in a chair. Go as low as you can without lifting your heels. Modifications. For beginners, hold onto a chair for support. Advanced, try jump squats to add intensity. Tips for form. Keep your knees aligned with your toes and push through your heels as you come up. Additional benefits. Squats not only tone your legs, but also strengthen your core and glutes, enhancing stability.
Exercise 3. Plank.
Detailed technique. Start in a plank position. Body in a straight line from head to heels. Keep your core tight and avoid arching your back. Modifications. For beginners, try a knee plank. Advanced, try side planks or add alternating arm raises. Tips. Focus on breathing slowly. If you feel your lower back sagging, rest and reset. Benefits. Planking is excellent for core stability and strength, and it even engages your shoulders and glutes.
Exercise 4. Lunges.
Detailed technique. Stand tall, step forward with one leg, and lower yourself until both knees are at 90-degree angles. Push back up to the starting position. Modifications. For beginners, reduce the range of motion. Advanced, try jumping lunges for more cardio. Common mistakes. Avoid leaning forward. Keep your chest up and back straight. Additional benefits. Lunges work your quads, hamstrings, glutes, and core, and they also help with balance and coordination. Mid-workout reminder. Halfway there, remember to focus on your form, stay hydrated, and take a short rest if needed. These exercises are designed to challenge you, but maintaining good posture is essential to prevent injury. All right, let's keep going.
Exercise 5. Mountain climbers.
Detailed technique. Begin in a plank position and bring one knee toward your chest, then quickly switch to the other knee, as if running in place. Modifications. Slow down the pace for beginners. Advanced can add a twist by bringing knees to opposite elbows. Benefits. Mountain climbers give you a great cardio boost while working your core, shoulders, and legs.
Exercise 6. Burpees.
Detailed technique. Start standing. Squat down and place your hands on the floor. Jump back into a plank, jump back in, and explode upward in a jump. Modifications. Beginners can skip the jump at the top. Advanced, add a push-up in the plank position. Form tips. Keep your core tight and land softly on your feet to protect your joints. Additional benefits. Burpees are a full-body exercise that boosts endurance, burns calories, and works multiple muscle groups.
Exercise 7. Glute bridges.
Detailed technique. Lie on your back, knees bent, feet flat on the floor. Lift your hips until your body forms a straight line from shoulders to knees. Modifications. Add a single leg variation for a challenge, or hold the bridge position longer for more intensity. Form tips. Avoid arching your back and keep your core engaged. Benefits. Great for glutes and lower back strength, which helps with posture and stability. Awesome job completing these 7 exercises. Just remember, it's all about consistency and progress over perfection. These exercises will build your strength, boost your energy, and help you achieve a fitter body in just 4 weeks. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe for more health and fitness tips and share it with someone who's looking to get fit from home. Stick with it and you'll see results.